What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do a monthly close in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick video, we're not going to waste much time, so let's just get straight into it. The first step is to reconcile all accounts. You got to make sure that your bank, credit cards and loan accounts are reconciled for the month. This ensures that your record matches your financial institution statement. Step 2 is to review outstanding transactions. Run a check for any unbilled expenses, unpaid invoices, or vendor bills. Resolve any duplicates or errors before closing. Step 3 is to run key financial reports. You want to generate your profit and loss, your balance sheets, and cash flow statements to get a complete view of your business finances for the month. Step 4 is to lock the period. Go to Settings, Accounts, and Settings, then Advanced, and there you're going to set a closing date and add a password to prevent accidental changes to that month's data. Step 5 is to back up your data. If you're using QuickBooks Desktop, create a full backup. For QuickBooks Online, you want to ensure that all reports are saved or exported. A pro tip is to always review your reports with your accountant before officially closing the month to avoid costly corrections later. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next one.